NEC, empowered by innovation. Welcome to the UniVerge Unified Communications for Enterprise Module Overview. UCE redefines the way businesses communicate and collaborate, truly empowering your organization to become more agile, more flexible, and more productive. The millennial generation, those born after 1980, are becoming the majority of the world's workforce. This generation has been raised with technology and unlimited access to information via the internet. As they enter the workforce, they bring with them this experience and a set of expectations like none before. It is therefore incumbent upon employers to meet these demands with business tools that allow this new workforce to feel productive at any time, any place, and using any device. No longer are employees found sitting at their desks from 9 to 5 working on one thing at a time using basic methods of communication. Instead, demands for our time frequently come 24/7. Meeting business demands often requires that employees stay connected regardless of their location or what communications device might be at hand. Speed is often the most important asset a business can have. How can a business adapt to these changes? UCE solves common challenges of office and mobile workers by simplifying the way you communicate, allowing you to find those you need quickly, be alerted when someone you need is available, reducing the flood of email and telephone tag, and improving responsiveness, both within the organization and with customers and suppliers. Let's take a look at some common challenges for office and mobile workers. How often do employees need to speak with someone but have trouble finding someone that is available? Even when someone is busy, wouldn't it be nice to have a quick chat or instant message session to take care of a quick question? Often when people have multiple devices, it can be difficult to locate them or decide how to do so. We can all benefit from tools that simplify our busy schedules, calls, meetings, and communications devices. When we are mobile, we want to be as productive as we are when we are in the office. The UC700 desktop client allows you to create contact lists and quickly see who is available. Green, yellow, and red colored gems indicate the likelihood of reaching someone. Each user can create multiple contact lists that represent departments or project teams for quick access to people they need. Selecting a user from the UC700 shows you how you can reach them. Available methods include phone call, instant message, video collaboration, and email. Also, each user can post a quick message to let others know what's happening that day. Each user can change their presence at any time using the convenient drop-down menu. Choose from predefined values such as at desk or on break, or define your own. In addition to changing status manually, users can also allow their Outlook calendar to fill it in automatically. In this example, we can see that Brian is currently on the phone. If we needed a quick answer from Brian, we can select the green instant message icon. This allows us to open a chat window. If the chat is not sufficient to resolve the matter, we can click the call icon and speak with him directly. In this case, the UC700 is controlling our phone and placing the call for us. The process of moving a chat conversation to a phone call is known as escalation. We actually have a number of options for escalation. These include group instant messaging, which allows you to hold a chat session with a group of users, email, which allows you to send an email to the user directly from the UC700, and video, which allows you to launch a video call with this user. In addition to escalation, we can tell the system to alert us when Brian becomes available. This option allows us to complete other tasks, while the UC700 takes care of watching for Brian to become available. Any given day, on how many devices can people reach you? Your desk phone, your cell phone. Maybe you're working out of your home and want calls there. Maybe you're in a remote office and you want to handle your calls from there. The UC700 allows users to direct calls to their various devices as they wish, so the people trying to reach them only have to remember one number. This concept is known as single number reach. The UC700 provides call redirect functionality that allows users to predefine target destinations for inbound calls. Then, when a call arrives, the UC700 offers a screen pop that allows a user to answer the call, send it to voicemail, or send to a redirect number. For example, the user can redirect a call straight to their mobile phone as they are heading out the door. Through the use of contact rules, the UC700 lets users invent ways that calls should be delivered, based on their present status and based upon who is calling. One or more devices can be chosen as a target destination, and the chosen devices will automatically be used under the specified conditions. The UC700 allows users to define a free-form number and utilize it within call rules. Once defined, the free-form number can be used within contact rules to provide your Office Anywhere. An example of how the free-form number might be used is Frank, an air conditioning technician for a school district. Frank heads indoors at a school during a hot afternoon to do some paperwork. Frank locates an available cubicle with a phone and sets its free-form number to ring the cubicle phone when someone calls his office downtown. The UC700 is also available as an Outlook plugin, providing full feature functionality from the Outlook toolbar. For example, the contact list is available within the Outlook desktop, so that switching between applications to utilize UC700 features can be avoided. Also, when scheduling meetings from within Outlook, the user can define how presence should appear to others during the meeting, as well as how presence should appear when the meeting reaches its scheduled end. The system can be set up so that no calls are delivered to your desk phone until after you have actually returned to your desk and moved your mouse. Another helpful application that is part of UCE is the MC550 mobile client. For mobile productivity, the MC550 mobile client provides many of the same features found on the UC700 and places them on your mobile device. Like the UC700, the MC550 mobile client provides single number reach, multi-ring, free-form number, contact lists, and presence, and is supported on a wide variety of mobile devices. The MC550 is available in a browser-based version, or as a standalone app for the iPhone or iPad in the App Store, and coming soon to the Android market. Users familiar with the UC700 will find the MC550 very familiar and easy to use. The profile and contact pages of the MC550 provide familiar functions, such as sharing a quick message, setting presence while you are away, and working with contact lists. Presence is provided in the familiar green, yellow, red format, along with helpful status information. The call history page allows quick access to incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. From the history page, calls can be returned with one touch. Instant messaging can also be conducted from the MC550 mobile client. The MC550 provides some unique call control capabilities. For example, a user can place a call from their desk phone, then move the call to their mobile device using the MC550 Move Call button. The other party will not be aware that the call has been moved. Also, upon returning to the office, the user can move the call from their mobile device back to the desk phone by pressing a button on the phone. Another helpful application that is part of UCE is the U-Mobility client. U-Mobility lets you use your mobile device as a telephone even when you have 0 bars. U-Mobility uses any available Wi-Fi network to establish a connection back to the NEC phone system to make calls. U-Mobility is available for iPhone, Android, and BlackBerry devices. Let's take a look at U-Mobility in action. Users can place a phone call from the contact list or the dial pad without concern for whether or not there is an available signal from the carrier. When placing a call, U-Mobility provides the available options to the user. These include U-Mobility calling across the Wi-Fi network or cellular call. The user can select U-Mobility calling whenever the Wi-Fi network is available and the U-Mobility phone is registered. Once a U-Mobility call is established, the user can roam about across Wi-Fi and cellular networks. U-Mobility keeps track of the available radio signals and switches the call back and forth between the cellular network and the Wi-Fi network automatically. This roaming process ensures the highest possible voice quality while preserving cellular minutes. We've examined how UCE helps you meet the challenges of office and mobile workers, while providing business productivity tools that today's workers have come to expect. The UC700 desktop client, the MC550 mobile client, and the U-Mobility client combine within the UCE product suite to provide true business benefits. If you would like more information or wish to see a full in-depth demonstration of this solution, send us an email at necfocus@necam.com. We would be happy to schedule a live session and answer any of your questions. NEC, empowered by innovation.